Content creation is moving so fast these days that if you blink for even a second, you're going to miss that viral moment. Yet, every single platform out there keeps rewarding short, snackable clips more and more, leaving creators scrambling to keep up. It is absolutely wild because creators are expected to churn out dozens of short videos from just a single long stream. Brands also need constant variations to test different hooks, copy, and visual formats to see what actually sticks. If that whole process sounds incredibly stressful, do not worry, because there is definitely a smarter, easier way to handle this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your long-form footage into a massive stack of ready-to-post short clips in just minutes. We are going to use Vizard to ethically scale your content production and realistically get a whole week's worth of social posts done in under 10 minutes. First off, you might be wondering, what exactly is Vizard and why should you care about it? Think of it as a smart editor that actually understands the nuances of what makes online content go viral. It is an AI-first tool that scans your long videos, identifies the attention-grabbing moments, and auto-magically turns them into optimized clips. Whether you need content for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook, it covers whatever you need. But it is not just a simple clip cutter because it also schedules your posts and helps you manage your entire content calendar. I know that might sound like marketing buzz, but stick with me because I'll show you how this works in real-life scenarios. Before we get into the step-by-step, one quick reality check. Producing tons of content comes with a serious responsibility. The same tech that helps you repurpose educational talks or product demos can also be misused to spread misinformation. So whenever you decide to automate your workflow, please be transparent with your audience and get consent if you're using other people's footage. Do that, and this tech becomes a massive time-saving power-up for your workflow, rather than a headache for your brand. Alright, let's walk through a real example to see how this works in practice. Imagine you're a founder who just recorded an hour-long deep dive about your product roadmap, or perhaps a fitness coach filming a long training session. You want short, engaging clips for ads, social posts, and internal training snippets without doing all the hard work. Instead of manually scrubbing through footage for hours, here is how you turn that into a dozen clips in 10 minutes with Vizard. Step 1. Make a free account and upload your long video, as the UI is designed to be very simple. Remember that good lighting and clear audio still matter quite a lot, so try to start with clean, raw footage. If you already have content on YouTube, Vizard can pull directly from links, which is a lifesaver if you have an existing library. Step 2. Let the auto-editing engine do its thing by picking the viral clips option. Vizard analyzes your footage and highlights moments that are likely to perform, based on pacing, facial expressions, and audio energy. It targets different clip lengths and formats, and it batches them for you, so you don't have to create each variant by hand. Step 3. Perform a quick human review and polish the clips. You don't need to micromanage every frame, but you should scan for the best clips and tweak where needed. Change the crop, adjust captions, add background music, or trim a second to fine-tune that hook. This is where Vizard saves you hours of time because you're making small edits to AI-suggested winners. Step 4. Add context or branding like your logo, an intro overlay, or a short end card. Vizard lets you templify these so the same style gets applied consistently across all your clips. For authenticity, I usually keep the intro short and natural because nobody wants to watch a 3-second logo splash before the good stuff. Step 5. Schedule and automate your publishing. Use the auto-schedule feature to set posting frequency and preferred times for different platforms. That means you can batch create content on a Monday and have the system publish it across the whole week automatically. Let me give you 2 concrete scenarios so you can visualize how this helps in the real world. Scenario 1. Internal training where you slice out specific instructions from a long walkthrough. Team members can watch the exact piece they need without sitting through the whole recording, which saves so much time. Scenario 2. Ad testing where you want to test different hooks for a product line without reshooting everything. You can iterate faster, spend less on production, and find a winner without hiring a full crew. Now, let's be honest about the other options currently out there. You have old-school editors that are powerful but take too much skill and time for simple social clips. Vizard stands out because it combines smart clip finding with scheduling in one place, which is what moves the needle. It is less about replacing your editors and more about replacing hours of tedious administrative work. A quick note on quality: automatic does not mean low quality. Vizard has options for generative enhancements so your clips look like they were polished by a professional human editor. One feature I love is the ability to create localized versions fast by generating captions in different languages. It is not perfect for lip-sync dubbing yet, but for social-first content, it is an insane time saver. Okay, let's be practical. How do you get to those 10 minutes I promised earlier? If you come prepared with good raw footage, you can upload, run the engine, pick your clips, and schedule them quickly. 10 minutes for multiple posts is the whole point of this entire workflow, because you might want to expand this into a team workflow. Vizard's content calendar makes collaboration super easy. Assign clips to teammates for review and keep brand assets centralized so you never have message drift. Before we wrap up, I want to be clear that this is a tool for scaling, not replacing deep editorial care for feature films. If you want to try this yourself, just go to Vizard, sign up, and experiment with one of your long videos. Start with a single hour-long video, generate clips, and schedule 3 posts for this week. If you made it to the end of this video, drop the code word AVATAR in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.